It's all for you?
Is that it? Come here. Now you got to give her your money. Now you got to give her your money.
It's $2.19, okay? You said okay.
Okay, count out 4 of those.
1.
I mean, 8 of them.
It's $1.
Okay, 4 more. Honey, just put them all up there. Just put them all up there. You get to keep 1. Put them all up there but 1. All right, give her the rest. Okay. Is that enough?
Huh?
Is that enough?
No, we need 19.
Oh, come here. Give her, Fox, come here. Give her that last coin.
Thank you. You gotta wait for your change, though, okay?
All right. Okay, she's gonna give you some back. Come get these coins.
And here's your receipt.
Say, say thank you.